Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel Autocar Guruji. Guys, thank you so much for subscribing my channel. और जिन लोगों ने अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं करा guys, do subscribe to my channel. So guys, आज एक और setup है. आज like the customer have traveled for 300 plus kilometers. The car came from Shimla. So yes, this is a setup जहाँ पे customer was like, this was the third car जहाँ पे हमने इनकी installation हुई है. So first car was done in the beginning where I have started the journey. This is the third car. So guys, this is the all new Brezza. This is not the base model Lxi. This is a ZXi model. So customer was into KR, like he was already very satisfied with the previous setup in his both of his car. Now he was like planning for this car, and it's been like a long back. कि उन्होंने ब्रेजा Lxi बुक कराई थी, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली ड्यू टू नॉन अवेलेबिलिटी उनको ZXi मिल रही थी एंड उनको यही पर्टिकुलर कार चाहिए थी. So after the delivery, he just straight away came to my place and he wanted the audio done from me. It's been like if you talk about the audio installation. So guys, the car came at 6 o'clock early in the morning. So I'm really sorry. It's been like 8:30 early in the morning. So 8:30 baje ka time hai, and as he stated that he was traveling overnight, so he took a hotel and he's taking rest in the hotel while we are doing the things. So it's 8:30 in the morning. Yes, we did not say a no to him कि हम नहीं कर पाएंगे, really sorry, but as it was pre-planned and he was a like previous customer, so we didn't say a no to him. So it's been 8:30 early in the morning and we are doing the audio setup. So आज कुछ बताना चाहूँगा, as it's a new product, so customer wanted to try something new because उनकी first car में Infinity reference थे, second में Stag Leo, and now he wanted to try Rainbow. So we are installing the entry level component by Rainbow. So yes, it's a very good option, very good components. Like yes, budget was in like we have to do everything in 25,000, so decent option hai. So he wanted something that like Morel was also a good option. Competition iska bahut acha Morel. Mera favorite frankly Morel hai, but agar Morel and Stag and JL, they are my favorite. But yes, customer was preferring कि उनको Rainbow लगाना है, so we have kept this priority और हमने Rainbow ही लगाया. Along with that, अगर हम amplification की बात करें, so guys, we have like this is a new model, that is the iron line 400.4. So if you talk about the configuration, guys, this is like at 100 RMS at 2 ohms, 70 RMS at 4 ohms, so very decent. This component is 80 RMS, so very decent amplifier, tiny size. Even if you don't want that the placement should be done under the seat, you can also place it backside of your head unit, and no need for keeping it under the seat. So but customer wanted to place it under a seat. आपको मैं इंस्टॉलेशन दिखाऊंगा. डैम्पिंग ऑलरेडी हो चुकी थी, पहले उन्होंने करवा ली थी कहीं से, एक दिन पहले करोल बाग से शायद करवा ली थी डैम्पिंग. So अब let's move to the audio part. So we are installing the 2 pairs of Rainbow on Stetstom amplifier. Blaupaunkt wiring यूज हुई है, इकोनॉमिकल वायरिंग हुई है, स्पीकर वायरिंग बहुत इकोनॉमिकल हुई है. Everything is being done approx around in 25,000, where 2 pairs of component being installed, amplifier wiring, speaker wiring, everything was being installed in 25,000. So yes, this is a very decent option. Head unit हमने retain किया था. So let's quickly move to the installation part. दिखाता हूँ क्या क्या कैसे कैसे हुआ है. So let's quickly move to that, and उसके बाद एक मैं output दिखाऊंगा और let's wrap this video. Head unit की बात करें, we are still retaining the stock head unit. It's a ZXi variant. So yes, we get the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and all the features are there in the head unit. So there is no point for changing the head unit, because if you're getting the features, if you're getting a good output from the head unit, there is no point. Yes, this model comes with the steering mounted control and the cruise control. So the only audio setup we are doing is the 2 pairs of component, that is again by Blaupaunkt. sorry, the 2 pairs of component by Rainbow, and that's the entry level component. Along with that, in the rear as well, we are installing the same, and all the 4 components have been driven on the Stetstom 400.1. Yes, it's a very powerful and decent amplifier. Rest once the complete wiring is done, मैं आपको आगे का result दिखाऊंगा. And total installation cost, everything I'll just sum it up and I'll let you know. For the Twitters, if you talk about, there is no need for getting a drill or making a hole in the door sash, because company is already providing the complete molding for the same. So here you can see the fit and finish, and along with that, damping again has been done earlier, so there was like no need for doing the damping. Approx if we conclude the total the setup, it's been around 25,000, where we have like added 2 pairs of component with a 4-channel amplifier and high-low converter wiring. So in 25,000 without the damping, the setup has been done. So I'll just quickly move to the result of the output, how's the output, and then we'll sum up this week. The complete things has been done. आपने NCS का result भी देखा होगा, आपने देखा होगा कि कैसा output है. If you talk about the installation, yes, people are coming from different states, different cities, just for the installation, the kind of wiring we do, the neatness, the cleanliness. So really appreciate guys, really thankful to all of you कि आप मेरे को इतना प्यार दे रहे हैं, इतना appreciation दे रहे हैं. So guys, with this मैं अपनी गाड़ी में भी कुछ नया कुछ लेके आ रहा हूँ. With the I have 3 different cars, so तीनों में मैं कुछ audio upgrade कर रहा हूँ one by one. So move first Bumblebee, जो मेरी yellow Swift है. It's very popular. If you see the views on YouTube, approx 2 million views cross कर चुका है yellow Swift पे. On some other channel, not on my channel, मैंने अपने चैनल पे रिव्यू नहीं करी थी, बट येस अब मैं मैं अपने कार का भी रिव्यू करूँगा. ब्रेजा है मेरे पास भी, द ओल्ड वेरिएंट 2020 मॉडल, सो उस पर भी ऑडियो है. एंड द थर्ड कार आई एम प्लानिंग फॉर अ न्यू कार, सो सून उस पर भी मेरी वीडियोस आ रही हैं. सो गाइज अब चलते हैं इस रैप करते हैं इस वीडियो को. सो जो कॉस्टिंग आई है, जो कॉस्टिंग पूरी वायरिंग को मिला के 25,000 है, जिसमें हमारा इंस्टॉलेशन भी है, हमारी वायरिंग है, 2 pairs of component है, amplifiers है. So everything was done in this setup. So guys, अब आपको बताना है कमेंट बॉक्स में आपको सेटअप कैसा लगा. आपको लगा कि ये वर्थ इट सेटअप था या नहीं, क्योंकि मेरे को लास्ट वीडियो में जो सेटअप था 1 लाख प्लस था ब्रेजा का. दिस इज अ इकोनॉमिकल सेटअप वेयर वी हैव इंस्टॉल्ड द एम्पलीफायर कंपोनेंट. यस, हम कंपोनेंट इसकी जगह मोरेल लगा सकते हैं, हम कंपोनेंट C1 लगा सकते हैं. सेकंड कार में हमने J लगाया था, अगेन C1 फॉर द फ्रंट एंड बैक. दिस इज़ द बेसिक सेटअप 25 में कर. अलॉन्ग विद दैट मोरेल भी हम कर चुके हैं. हम अगर इसी बजट में जाना है तो मोरेल भी स्विच कर सकते हैं, रेफरेंस भी, इन्फिनिटी भी स्विच कर सकते हैं. थोड़ा सा अगर हम एक स्टेप बियॉन्ड जाएंगे, अंडर 40, सो वी कैन मूव टू जेल ऑडियो, वी कैन मूव टू स्टैग, वी कैन एक और ब्रांड आ रहा है वेरी सून. अब मेरी ब्लैम पे वीडियोस आएंगी, ब्लैम ऑडियो भी अब मेरे स्टोर पे अवेलेबल होगा. सो ब्लैम के साथ वीडियो आएंगी, ब्लैम के ऊपर भी आएंगी. सो इसी के साथ गाइस, अगर आपको लगा वर्थ इट सेटअप है, आप मेरे को बताइए कि कैसा लगा सेटअप. इज इट वर्थ इट या फिर लगा वेस्ट ऑफ मनी था. So comment in the comment box, or any questions do you have related to car audio, car accessories. I am here to help you. If you, again, I would want to tell you again, अगर आपको खरीदना है या नहीं खरीदना, that's a different scenario. Still, if you have any questions for me regarding car audio, what's the compatibility, क्या किस पे setup अच्छा जाएगा, I am here to help you. So इसी के साथ वीडियो रैप करते हैं. अगर do like my video, do share my video, and do subscribe to my channel. Automobile Guruji signing off. Bye bye.